Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here. And we are about to hear an inspiring story of transformation and courage. Welcome, everyone. And today is another day of our Dreams and Beyond, a Thriving Day with Ellen. So, our guest today is someone who, like many of us, face doubts and challenges but decided to take a leap of faith into the world of online business. She will share her journey and journey before starting this venture and what motivated her to explore the digital space and how this decision changed her life in incredible ways. If you ever wonder what it takes to start something new or why having a plan B is important even when your life feels comfortable, this is the conversation for you. So let's start in. I will just put April, Joy. Hi. Hi,
Ah,
April.
Hello, Ellen. Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me here in your page. Good evening. It's a good evening here. I'm from Richmond, Canada. What time is it there? Yeah.
Yeah, it's already 3 o'clock p.m. here
Wow.
in Australia. Yes. And
That's already
thank you for your time. I know it's late over there in Canada.
yes, it's 9 p.m. It's okay. I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah, that's good. And and today is we'll dive into your story, your
Okay.
journey. Yeah. And first, let me introduce myself. I'm Ellen Avila, and I'm a wife. I am a former OFW. I work in Thailand for 8 years before I settled here in Australia. And I am a food technologist by profession. And I'm doing this digital business on the side alongside with my regular job. Now, will April will share her journey today with you, and I hope you get inspired sa kanyang journey. And for our first up, introduce yourself first, Joy.
Okay, wow. Nobody really called me Joy. That's actually nice to
Oh,
hear. Yeah, normally they call me April, but thank you. It's nice to hear to be called Joy.
yeah,
Thank you
that's
for
good.
sharing your background too. Hello everyone. So I'm April. I'm originally from the Philippines and I'm currently residing here in Richmond, Canada. I'm also a wife and I'm an educator by profession and also I'm a proud digital business owner. So I also run my side hustle after my working my full-time job. Yeah.
Yeah, like like me, we have a regular job, 'di ba? Parang
Yes.
uh,
We work
it's good thing
full-time.
na meron kang talagang on the side, kumbaga. So, ang
Yes.
first natin is, can you share your journey before starting your online business and what inspired you to take this leap and explore the digital space?
Of course, I would love to. So, actually, before I started my digital business, I was working in one of the residential property. I was working there for 13 years. So I started as a housekeeper. Then I was promoted to be a listing agent. Then I become an operation coordinator, and kind of like work my position
Like,
up. So yeah, for 13 years, and at the end I
mm,
become assistant property manager. So I did that for 13 years, and
oh,
I actually thought that's gonna be my retirement job because I really like the people I work with and the company I worked for. So at that time I was thinking like, oh, this is it for me. I'll be staying here
yeah.
until I retire. Then I sponsored my husband from the Philippines, and
Ah,
our plan, we have like a huge plan that we're going to explore places together because
mm.
we're in a long distance relationship for 8 years. So,
Oh,
sponsoring him from the Philippines coming here, we have that big dream that once he's here,
yeah,
we can travel together, we can do things together. But as immigrants, you know that once you're here you have to do two three jobs, and
yes,
that consume our time. We started running our own junk removal business, and I went back to school. We're still looking for that goal because thinking that if I work there, then we won't
mm.
have time together and we can't travel back home because I left home when I was 20 years old. So I didn't
Oh,
really get a chance to spend that quality time. And, I missed a lot of family gatherings in the Philippines, and I'm longing to be with my parents. So
yes,
that's when I started looking for other opportunities online because we tried traditional side hustle and that consume our
yeah,
time. So
yeah,
I said like I need to find something that is flexible and something that I can run even, I spend time with my family or with my
yes.
husband. So that's why I luckily found this side hustle. So that's the start of it.
Yeah, that's a good story actually. We have something in common. Nagtrabaho din ako overseas for 8 years. So, parang 8 years. Na, doon pa lang nahiwalay ako sa family ko. And at the same time, kasi alam ko kasi yung meron tayong ikaw na at you left home 20 ka na, 20
Yeah.
ka lang. So, it's very early for you. But I left home parang nasa 30s na ako. But, yun nga is kailangan mo ano, eh, minsan kailangan mo talagang gawin yung ano, eh, humiwalay ka because, you have dreams for your family.
Yes.
And ikaw pa you have relationship, long distance relationship din pala. So, I also had that. Pero, short lang naman kasi nakilala ko yung asawa ko. Like 1 year, I think 1 year or almost 2 years
Mm-hmm.
lang kami nagkahiwalay. Hiwalay, kumbaga in a relationship na magkahiwalay. Pero yun, pareho natin alam yung hirap talaga, eh, 'no?
Mahirap siya. So, may
Mm,
mga days na gustong-gusto mong umuwi, may days na gusto mo silang
mm.
kausapin, but because of the time difference, morning dun sa kanila, night dito,
Oo,
so mahirap. Tapos 'pag gusto mo pa magbakasyon dahil nasa private company ka, the longest you can sometimes take is 3 weeks. That's lucky if you can get 3 weeks because normally you only get 2 weeks vacation
yes.
if you go, but going back home, you consume at least 2 days already just for
Mm.
traveling, and it's not enough. The 2 weeks is not enough. So yeah.
Oo, and ako kasi, I miss the ano, parang inisip ko, I miss that, a long time na makasama mo talaga yung family mo, you know? Kasi I left home, my, my nephew was, I think 2 or 3 years old back then. And na-miss mo yung times na ma-enjoy mo sila nung bata
Yes, nung
sila.
bata
So,
pa.
yun yung oo, kasi I do not have, kids of my own. Pero yung mga pamangkin ko, yun yung talagang, um, kasama ko nung nandun ako sa Philippines na na inaalagaan ko, yung tipong gano'n. So, na-miss ko yun kasi nga I had to work overseas. Pero it pays off naman kasi, yung dream ko kasi sa sa family ko is natupad ko and, um, yun nga lang is, at the expense of the time na nawala
Yes.
sa atin, 'di ba?
Mhm.
So, minsan
Mhm.
kumbaga hindi mo na maibabalik pero, you can just, look forward to, uh, the future na lang, eh,
What you can do in the
'di ba?
future. Exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm. Tas
So yeah.
yeah, yun nga. Yeah, I agree kasi nga kung hindi na natin maibabalik, at least may chance pa tayo na, do it in the future. So,
Oo. That's why, yun nga, like you, naghanap din ako ng, magagawa mo, doing it now for your future. Ang nilo-look forward mo na lang at especially at my age is yung retirement mo.
yes.
So, you have to, make sure na you retire comfortably, 'di ba? So, yun yung kumbaga yun yung long-term goals natin. And, looking for, something to, start now is, kumbaga hindi mo siya makikita kung talagang hindi mo hahanapin, eh. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo but luckily nga na natagpuan natin yung talagang magfi-fit talaga sa atin, 'di ba? So, ang question ko ngayon is, what were your initial fears, yung doubts mo about, starting this online business and what helped you push through them? Kasi hindi naman lahat may experience about digital business. But, how about you? Ano yung mga fears and doubts mo,
Well,
venturing to online business?
yes. Well, at that time when I actually started this business, I don't have the right mindset then. So, yung parang yung fear ko na, hindi ko kayang mag-go live, hindi ko kayang, hindi ko kayang mag-post ng like videos na ngayon kaya ko na. So that's my
Oo.
fear, and I'm really not ready then to share this with my friends and to share it with my coworkers, with my family. That's actually the reason why I started this, because initially I was told, like, you don't have to share this, you don't have to bug your family and friends, because I'm not a salesperson at all. That's way out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
So, yun yung kinakatakutan ko nung time na yun, kasi sabi ko, if I need to be very present sa social media, then I need to be out there and I need to really share my personal life, my personal journey. But,
Yeah.
that changes me, because when I realized that there's so much potential to this business, and I'm not doing this not just for myself, I'm doing this to help others. So that
Mm,
encouraged me to do more, and just to keep doing, like, trying to work on my mindset, and trying to
mm.
be present with the trainings,
Yeah.
connect with the community, with the fellow business entrepreneurs, and they really helped me to be out of my comfort zone and just try something, to develop for my growth.
Yeah,
Yun
that's
lang.
true. At marami naman talagang ways, 'di ba? But were
Yes.
you skeptical ba nung nag-start ka or bago ka mag-jump in? Were you skeptical?
No, actually, because I already tried, I tried some business before. I tried a junk removal
Okay.
business. So I know and I also tried selling online, like, the buy and
Ah,
sell. So
mm,
that part, not really, because I know that it's already, the website, it's already part of the training, and I know how
mm.
expensive to like create or to manage your own website. So
Oo,
for me, that's like, what? It's already part of the
training.
system. So I'm like, that's awesome. It's because I know how
Yeah,
expensive to have your own to have someone build your own website, and to have
yeah,
someone manage your website, and how hassle, like, to apply for business license and all that. But here, everything,
yeah.
it's part of the training. So for me,
Mm,
I just checked everything, and when I saw that it's tax registered, so I'm like, okay, this is something, this is something special, and this is something that I can work on,
mm.
and I know that it's legit.
Yeah, that's good to hear talaga na, meron talagang, business out there na it really fits you, 'di ba? And besides kasi kung hindi ka naman talaga wala ka talagang experience, we have all the trainings talaga na
Yes.
you can use, you can access anytime you want. And we also have the community na help you kung meron ka pang questions other than,
Mhm.
the trainings, or meron kang hindi naiintindihan sa trainings, meron ka talagang kasama, in this journey, na hindi ka talaga mag-isa na gumagawa.
Yes. And plus,
And
you can
that's
access the
the
training. Sorry.
yeah. And, yeah, and we also have regular, mastermind, regular training. And because now, our trainings was already updated. So it's minsan is mind-blowing na rin talaga na nakikita mo na, oh, when comparing to the old training, 'di ba? Parang it's so, it's so technical, and it's so, kumbaga ang daming additional na talagang upgraded yung training, and which is really good for us then. Yeah.
Yeah.
And,
Yes.
yeah, and then, 'di ba yung, like, because our business is global then, is, we can connect to different kinds of people. Kumbaga, we can get more insights for different types of people. So yun yung kagandahan ng business natin. Although there's a lot of businesses out there, but this is one of a kind, I would say.
Yes, very much so. Because, the other business entrepreneurs, I know that we're all running the same business, but we are running our own, and we have like a healthy competition. We share strategies, we share ideas, they share their knowledge and even their failures. Actually, it's very important to share their failures too, just so we don't have to go through all that.
Yeah.
At least
Mm-mm.
hindi na natin pagdadaanan pa kung ano yung hindi nag-work sa kanila. At least
Yeah.
ma-skip na natin yun and we can just move forward with whatever works, right?
Yeah, that's true. And, as long as you are open to learning, open to, you're coachable, um, you can you can do this business talaga.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And, so far, what is the most rewarding part of your journey in the business?
So, well, the first one is my growth.
Mm,
The growth is like so much now. I can just not just doing go live.
mm,
I'm able to learn a lot of like content creation, like doing
yeah,
videos, editing, and a lot of apps that I don't know before, but now I know how to use it. That I'm
yeah,
not familiar of any of it before, but now
mm,
because of the trainings, because of the system I used, I'm able to just develop my creativity with that and my
yeah,
self-confidence too because of the training. They kind of like I have the right mindset now. I don't have the fear. I mean, I still have the little fear there because we're just humans, but because of the
mm,
right mindset, I feel like whatever others can do, I can do too. And of course the time freedom. I think that's the most rewarding part for me because like now we can enjoy time together. Like before every weekend, what we do, we just cleaning houses and we do part-time jobs.
mm.
Like we leave the home like dark and we go home like it's already
Oh,
dark, so we don't really experience like the actual rest. The
yeah,
rest for us is traveling, driving home. That's like our bonding time, but it's different when you're resting, when like you can just sleep in. We don't have to worry that you have to travel to work and that. So that, yeah, the growth and time freedom for me is the most. What about
yeah.
you?
Yeah, for me, it's like what you said earlier. It's like your creativity
Yeah.
and your knowledge is expanding. Because when we started this business, we do not know how to do those things. Like, create your content, something like that, and use applications.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's because of the technology and yung mga different apps ngayon. It's like na, na-e-excite ka. Ako, yun ang feeling ko, na na-e-excite ako na, oh, meron akong app na natutunan ulit na gamitin. And um, to yung to grow your business, yung how you do things. Yun
Mhm.
yung nakaka-excite, yun yung, sa'kin is rewarding. And also yung meeting people. Kasi
Yes.
yun yung mga whys ko or yung mga objectives ko why I started this business is to, to make my mind, yung stimulate my mind na dun sa mga bagong things na hindi ko nagagawa before. So, na-achieve ko siya ngayon. And yung meeting with people, ah, sa community lang natin is, which is really kasi global, nakakakilala tayo ng iba-ibang tao and I was able to achieve that as well. And, yung growth personally, like you said, yung mindset kanina is, ngayon ko lang na-realize na, dito ko lang na napapag-aralan yun because of the trainings that we have. Yung mga, experts na sa, sa trainings about, mindset na when we are working parang hindi mo na hindi mo nakukuha ang training yon. Which is
Yes.
importante talaga, and importante din pala talaga, and which I think mas importante pagka nagtatrabaho ka to have the proper mindset of hindi lang as, entrepreneurs like us, pero yung individual, yung
Yeah.
sarili natin, 'di ba? Parang ngayon ko na-appreciate na, um, you know, have this mindset na wala ako before, na nakakatulong talaga sa'yo everyday, in your
Yes.
everyday lives. Which is really amazing talaga and nakukuha mo dito sa business, hindi natin alam na makukuha pala natin, 'di ba? That's why we are
Yes.
sharing this to people kasi, maganda yung mga experiences natin.
The value, you'll appreciate the value of time, you'll appreciate the value of the people around you, every little things, the sunshine, yung chance mo na makapag-walk, makapag-sleep in, yung mga little things na ganyan dati na sabi ko, you don't really need that. But once you experience it, it's
Yes.
actually big. Yes.
Yeah, actually, um, it's um, it's life-changing experience talaga. 'Di ba? Yung mga trainees na we don't get, even tayong mag-isa, we will not gonna, do the training for ourselves. Pero because the community is uh, value that, change in yourself. That's why we invest. The community invest on, you know, better ourselves
Yes.
through mindset trainings. Yeah, so
Very important.
yeah. And ang tanong ko na yon, what would you say, ito na lang, what would you say to those people who are saying that they don't need to start a business or have plan B because they're already living comfortably? Anong masasabi mo dun?
Yes. So for those who are saying that, oh, they have a good job, they're living
Mm,
comfortably and we don't really need something on the side, right? So
oo,
yeah, well, having all that, it's you're in a good place. That's great. And that is something that you can be proud of because you
mm,
worked hard and you're there and you're earning something that, you know, nagsusupplement ng life mo now. But starting a
mm,
business, this is something for your future. Because health wise, we don't know if are we gonna be we're not gonna be healthy our whole life. So we're not getting younger, we're all getting older, and having what you have right now, it's great. But to have
yeah,
something to support that and to have something extra in the future, and plus this is something that you can actually pass to your family member, to your kids if you have kids, to your partner if you have partner. So this is something that you are working for the future. This is something that you are getting ready for the future. So this is not about now. If you have it,
Yeah,
that's great. But then, it's always great to have a plan B.
yeah, that's true. I was on that side before. It's like, pag may nakikita akong, something like this, why would I do it? I'm happy now. I
Yeah.
have a good job, you know, I have a saving. But after the pandemic, talagang dun mo ma-realize talaga na, ah, kailangan mo pa pala talaga
Back
and
up.
hindi ka talaga puwedeng maging kampante. Kasi life happens every day. Like hindi
Yes.
mo malalaman talaga kung ano yung darating sa'yo. You can only prepare yourself. And I was in that position before. So yung pagnenegosyo, yeah, yeah, I thought of that. Pero pag iniisip mo na, what if you're ano na, no, you're old na, 'di ba? Parang especially yung 'pag nagnegosyo ka ng physical store is medyo physical talaga yung trabaho minsan din, 'di ba?
Mhm.
And, kailangan mo talagang mag-isip ng something na you can still do while you're old as well. So, dito na pumapasok talaga ah, yung side hustle talaga. Kasi puwede mo namang gawin talaga, eh, 'no? Puwede mo talaga,
Yes.
you have all the time.
And just to add to that too, like for
Hmm,
example, yes, we have a good job right now. We have in a lot of savings, but then what is this? Once once we have all that, it means like we are also very busy. Yes, you have a good job, you have comfortable life, but then do you have time? Are you
yeah.
flexible? Like time is very important. Yes, money, you have money right now, but then if you don't have the time to enjoy what you have, then I don't really see the point of that.
Yeah, that's true. And yung time ang hindi mo na mababalik, 'di ba? That's the most expensive in this world, yung time.
Mhm.
Kasi hindi mo na siya mababalik. And like when we talk before, it's like I pareho tayong naging OFW, 'di ba? And we work overseas for a long time and away from your family. But yung time na nawala kasi you're away, parang hindi mo na siya
Hindi
mababalik,
mo
'di
na
ba?
mababalik. So, yun.
Yeah. So yun yung mahirap. And then realize mo yung mga OFW, 'di ba? If they have this on the side, they will help them, to uh, stay at home for good, 'di
Mhm.
ba? Because we can do this from home. We can do this
Exactly.
anywhere. This business, and you're building a business that you can do in the future until to the future, 'di ba? So, yun, we should not be, ano ba yun, comfortable na for a, okay life. We can still aim for more. Kasi meron tayong time. Like, both of us are working, but we're doing this business on the side. Kasi meron pa naman talagang, we can still fit this. And this business is for busy people talaga.
Uh-huh.
Do you agree with
Yes.
that? Yeah.
That's actually my goal, to help busy individual who are juggling 2 to 3 jobs.
Mm, yeah.
Because, at times they said like, oh, we actually don't have time because we're busy working. Well, this is actually for you. Like, if you want to just keep one job
Mm,
and just do this one in like on the side, then you can do it, right? This is not for people who have a lot of time, because others might think like, oh yeah, they can do that because she only works 6 hours and a half a day. She doesn't have a kids, and like
mm,
she has so much time in her hand. That's why she's able to manage her digital business. But no,
mm.
the one reason why I started this, because I'm way too busy that I don't have time. So now I'm
Yeah.
ready to share, right?
Yeah, that's true because a lot of I mean most of the business partners we have in this community, they have um, two or three jobs when before they start this online business. Now they retire from all those jobs.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they just they reduce it to like two jobs. My mentor, she used to work 3 jobs, but now she only doing it part-time.
Mm-hmm.
So the you know uh it's true that you can, you have to sacrifice in at the beginning, but the rewards in the end is pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, yes. You just need to set up the business, follow the training. Once it's fully set up, then it's automated. Then your business is it's active and it's working even you're not actively working on it. So that's why we're able to do it. That's why we're saying it's flexible. That's why we can take this with
Mm.
us wherever we go, because once it's fully set up, then you can work on your own pace. And there's a lot of ways and strategies for you not to get overwhelmed of the postings if that worries you, because some
Yeah.
people say I don't have time to post, I don't have to time to make content. That's why we're here. There's a training, the system, that's part of the system that we're enjoying.
Yeah, that's true. And like mentioned, it's flexible. You can do it anytime uh anytime you have, because 1 or 2 hours doing this business is good enough. So
Mhm.
the more you put, effort or time in this business, the more it's gonna grow fast. And it's flexible. It's like you can bring this as long as you have internet and your laptop. You can bring it while you're on vacation. Our coaches in the
Yes.
Philippines, uh
She's on
uh
vacation.
she's on vacation for, I
Nice.
think, 2 months now, but then she can still do the business while she's on vacation. So that's the ang sarap kung nando'n ka na sa stage na yun, 'di ba? But that everybody will go through that stage, na we can still enjoy life uh alongside with, running a business.
Yes.
Lastly, what is your advice? What advice you would give to someone who is actually still hesitant to start their own online business or stepping out of their comfort zone? What will be your advice to
Okay.
them?
Well, I think the most important is for them to know their why, because you need to know the reason why you want to start something, right? It doesn't matter if you're starting something like this, starting your own digital business, or if you want something totally different, or you all need to start with your why. So once you know what you want, that's your goal. That's will like drive you to whatever challenges that will just help you to what is this to just conquer anything. And success happen when you go outside your comfort zone. So try something new, because you will never know if it's something for you if you don't try. So just go out there, check what's for you, and yeah, don't limit yourself. You are so much capable more than you know.
Yeah, that's true. And there's no harm in trying naman kung um you check this business out. And like I mentioned before, it's like we are all, you know, pare-pareho tayong we have all our fears and doubts and starting this business. But what one thing that we'll learn is if you don't get out of your comfort zone, you'll be stuck there. I mean, you're not gonna grow. Sabi nga is when there's not no I don't know what to call it, nakalimutan ko na. Nothing changes if nothing changes. 'Di ba, yun nga lagi
Yes.
sinasabi
Yes.
natin. Yeah.
So
And yeah, if you have questions, and sa mga nanonood sa atin, if they have questions and about the business, you can reach out to April. Her website is uh,
www.aprilsobebe.com, or you can reach out to Ellen. Her website is
www.ellenavila-hybert.net. Yun. You
napaka-social
can
naman
reach
ng
out
ano.
to, yeah, you
Sorry.
can reach out to us. and we're happy to help you and sa mga questions ninyo. And yeah, if you can, resonate this um, with April's stories, yung mga that we shared, um, you can reach out to us. So thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you for taking time, April.
No, thank you. Thank you so much. It's my honor to be in your page. I've been watching you. So, yeah, I'm glad that you invited me. And yeah, I'm so happy to share my story. And yeah, for those of you who have questions, don't hesitate.
Thank you
Ask
for
away.
yeah, that thank you for your time, and this is not the first time na we're, do this thing, because we are both in um join this new training group training. So for sure we still have activities that we can get together again.
Yeah, again, yes. Are you
Yeah.
going to Ponte Cana this June or to there's that for
Um
the convention?
for the convention, I thought it's in
Yeah.
Chula Vista.
What am I saying? Chula, yes.
I was
What
that the
am
same.
I
No,
Chula,
I
yes.
cannot.
Are
Yeah,
you not?
I cannot. But
Oh,
are you?
yes,
Are you
I'm
going?
going there. Yes.
Oh,
Yes. So
that's
I'm
good
hoping that
because
you'll go
my
too. But yeah, but for you, who knows? It's not like it's only January. You don't know. You might be able to join.
yeah. Hopefully, actually, my mentors and my other business partners are actually in the U.S. So they will get together there. But I just wish I could
Yeah.
go there, and hopefully, if not this time, there's other time.
There's other
You
times.
know.
So yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And
Okay.
for all who's watching us, thank you so much. And I hope you watch us again in our next live, in
Yeah.
our next inspiring day. Thank you.
Okay. Enjoy the
Bye.
rest of your day. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye.